Hey everyone, today I'm about to change the way you think about dash cams. Buckle up, because we're taking a deep dive into the Vantrue E3, a triple channel dash cam that's not just about capturing footage, it's about giving you undeniable evidence, peace of mind, and a whole lot of cool features. I'll leave you some footage at the end. We all know the feeling of hitting the open road, the freedom, the adventure, but along with the excitement comes a certain amount of risk. Accidents happen, disagreements occur, and sometimes you just want to capture those epic driving moments to share with the world. That's where the Vantrue E3 comes in. This isn't your average dash cam. We're talking 3 cameras working in harmony to give you a complete view of your surroundings. The front camera captures everything ahead in stunning 2.7K resolution. Inside the car, another camera records the driver and passengers in crystal clear 1080p. And finally, the rear camera keeps an eye on what's happening behind you, also in 1080p. No blind spots, just pure protection. Now, let's talk about the triple camera setup of the Vantrue E3. With its Novatec dual chip, this dashcam simultaneously records the front cabin and rear of your car, providing total coverage and protection from any unexpected events on the road. And check out this innovative 55-degree rotatable front lens design, which accommodates most windshields and mounting angles, ensuring optimal visibility and coverage. Plus, with the optional CPL filter, you can say goodbye to lens flares and enjoy enhanced color clarity. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway when a reckless driver cuts you off. Normally, you'd just be frustrated, but with the E3, you have the whole incident recorded from multiple angles, giving you the evidence you need to prove who was at fault. Now, let's talk about a feature that really sets this dashcam apart: Starvis night vision. Most dashcams struggle in low-light conditions, but the E3 excels. It's equipped with advanced Starvis image sensors that capture incredibly clear footage even when the sun goes down. Plus, the interior camera has infrared LEDs that illuminate the cabin, ensuring that everyone inside is clearly visible. Think about how valuable this could be. If you're a rideshare driver working late at night, the E3 is your silent witness, ensuring your safety and documenting every interaction. Or maybe you're just driving home from a late movie. The E3's night vision will give you the confidence to navigate those dark roads. One size doesn't fit all, and the Vantrue E3 understands that. That's why it gives you 2 recording modes to choose from. You can go with front and cabin recording, which is perfect for rideshare drivers, parents, or anyone who wants to keep an eye on what's happening inside the vehicle. Or you can switch to front and rear recording, which is ideal for highway driving or situations where you need that extra protection from behind. Sharing your epic road trip footage or that crazy near miss shouldn't be a hassle. With the E3's built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect to the Vantrue app on your smartphone and download videos in a flash. Share them with friends, family, or even insurance companies if needed. But the Vantrue E3 goes beyond just recording. It's also a data powerhouse. Thanks to its built-in GPS, it logs your location, speed, and route, providing valuable context for your videos. Imagine being able to review your drives, analyze your routes, and even track your top speed on that scenic mountain road. Okay folks, this is where the E3 gets really futuristic. It comes with voice control. You can start and stop recording, take photos, lock videos, and even turn on Wi-Fi with just a few simple commands. No more fumbling with buttons while you're trying to focus on the road. Just say, Vantrue, start recording, and you're good to go. Ever come back to your car to find a mysterious dent or scratch? With the E3's parking mode, those days are over. The dashcam keeps a watchful eye on your vehicle even when you're not around. It can record continuously at a lower frame rate to conserve storage, or it can switch to motion detection mode, waking up and capturing footage only when it senses movement around your car. Also, check out the Vantrue JS1. It's a total lifesaver on the road. With 3000 ampere peak current, it jumpstarts your car in seconds. Plus, it's a 2000 mAh power bank and a super bright LED flashlight. Compact, lightweight, and packed with safety features, it's your ultimate road trip companion. So, there you have it. The Vantrue E3 dashcam, the triple channel guardian angel that's always got your back. If you're looking for a dashcam that goes above and beyond, that gives you peace of mind on every drive, then look no further. Thanks for watching and safe driving. Bye bye.
Wala, wala, wala.